Hello, I'm glad you could join me. Today we're going to be talking about psychic abilities and evolution. Psychic abilities are not extraordinary exceptions, but an intrinsic part of the human experience. It's part of who we are, and if we can unlock and develop these abilities, we have a chance to reach our full potential as humans. That is, to evolve. We all have some natural psychic abilities. I often liken it to singing. We can all sing. Some of us are born more naturally gifted than others. But if you find a teacher who can teach you certain techniques, such as breathing techniques, and then you practice and practice and practice with that teacher and by yourself, you will become a better singer. And it's the same with psychic abilities. Quantum and alternative sciences have fairly recently confirmed that there is a biological connection to the energetic field where the body and mind act like antenna to access the universal source of information that's all around us. So we are the interface with the information that's in the field. And by the way, science does not create these things. These things already exist in nature. Science is just a human attempt to explain these things in scientific terms. If science can't explain them, it doesn't mean that these things don't exist or that they're invalid. It simply means that science can't yet explain these things that already exist in scientific terms. I try and include as many scientific studies as possible because I know that many people put a lot of importance on scientific information. And it's important to remember that things that naturally occur are still important and valid, whether science can explain them or not. So, one of the latest scientific experiments studied presentiment, which is the body's unconscious response to an event before it occurs, that is, a future event, suggesting that we have a sense of pre awareness. It's not a prediction, but a physiological reaction measured by things like increased heart rate, brain activity, and skin conductance, which are things like sweat and electrical charge. In this experiment, subjects were shown random computer images, and just before they were shown a frightening image, unconscious responses were measured, such as increased heart rate and increased sweating, which shows that we have a genuine precognitive ability. In psychic terms, we call this precognizance, and psychics have been demonstrating this for centuries, but just now it's been confirmed by science. Many of us experience these things. There have been countless stories where just before someone was about to experience a dangerous situation, they got a bad feeling, a bad gut feeling, or goosebumps, or the hairs on the back of their neck stood up. And many people have listened to this and walked away, avoiding the danger. It's a form of forewarning that our body is giving us, gathering information from the energetic field all around us. So pay attention when this happens. Your body is trying to tell you something. And if you become better at, scientifically they call it interoception, that is, being aware of your body's reactions and sensing your internal state, you will be able to potentially have a better sense of future events and be able to avoid danger if possible. Unlocking and fine-tuning presentiment and other psychic abilities are part of the way that humans can evolve. I've been a proven psychic since age 7, and I've been teaching people to develop these abilities for 15 years now. So if you would like to unlock your potential, develop psychic and spiritual awareness, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box. So wherever you are in the world, I wish you love and courage on your journey. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time. Take care and bye for now.